In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a credit card with PenFed Credit Union online. Whether you're a member of this financial institution or considering becoming one, applying for a credit card online can be a straightforward process. Let's go through the steps together to ensure you have a smooth experience. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to the PenFed Credit Union's website. If you're not sure how to find it, you can simply type PenFed into a search engine, and it should be one of the top results. Once on their website's homepage, you'll be met with a variety of options for all types of financial products. But today, we're focusing on credit cards. From the homepage, look for and click on the Credit Cards section. This section usually showcases all the available credit card options they offer, highlighting benefits, rewards, and any introductory offers. Take a moment to explore if you're interested, as this could help you decide which card best suits your needs. When you're on the credit cards page, you'll want to navigate to the Credit Cards Overview. This overview provides a more detailed look at all the cards they offer and will direct you towards the next step, starting your application. Once you feel ready and have scoped out the credit card options you're interested in, click on Apply Now. It's important to know that to apply for these cards, you'll need to be a member of PenFed. If you're already a member, you'll be directed to the next stage. You'll then find an option that says, I'm a member. Click on this if you hold membership. This step is critical as it will connect your application with your existing PenFed account, making the process quicker and more seamless. In case you're not a member yet, you might need to look into obtaining membership first or follow instructions provided for new applicants directly on their site. Now comes the login step. You'll need to enter your PenFed username. This login site might look similar to other secure websites you use, like online banking, where using your credentials safely is key to protecting your personal information. Follow up by entering your password. Remember to ensure your password is strong and keep it secure to protect your account details. After logging in with your username and password, you'll be prompted to provide any additional required information. This can include personal and financial details, so have things like your social security number and income information handy. From here, you'll submit your application and wait for PenFed's decision on your credit card approval. With these steps in mind, applying for a PenFed Credit Union credit card online is a feasible task, and now you're well equipped to start your application. Thank you for tuning in today, and good luck with your credit endeavors.